I'm gonna show you how to set up the BabyPips Position Size Calculator. So to get started, you have to open babypips.com on any browser and then log in your account. Once you're there, you have to click on Tools, then Position Size Calculator, and from here you have to scroll down. And here you will see the Position Size Calculator. From here you have to input the account currency, then amount balance, let's say 10,000, risk percentage about 1 or 2%, stop loss or pips around 30, then the currency pair Euro USD, then click calculate, and here you can see the results of the calculation. The amount of risk is 200 USD and the position size or units is 66,000 standard lots, 0.666, then mini lots 6.6667, then your micro lots 66.6667. So there you go. That's how you set up or calculate your position size on BabyPips.